Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video. And in this video we want to talk about Jasmy. I'm very sorry for the noise here in the background. I'm right now not at home, so therefore I wrote to make a update video here on Jasmy, because if you look on the hourly chart, then you can see that Jasmy broke out already of this falling wedge. So it hit perfectly the 382 Fibonacci level, and right now it looks like that it's retesting maybe the 236 Fibonacci level. So let's zoom out on the 4-hourly. Then it looks, this 4-hourly candle looks actually not pretty good, not pretty bullish, because this long wick to the upside here, but hopefully the 236 Fibonacci level will hold and we will get a clear bounce from it. So let's zoom out on the daily chart and make this a little bit bigger. So here you have this falling wedge, broke out of it, came exactly to the Fibonacci level, and right now it's fighting with the bulls and bears, which direction it should go right now. Also the daily email ribbons come in, and here at the 0.5 Fibonacci level is the most traded volume from our volume profile. So that is actually the next stop, the next target. Out through the golden pocket should be actually the price target. Because of the noise in the background, I wouldn't make this video as too long. Again, I'm very sorry for the noise. Hope this video is also okay for you. As I told you, I just want to make a quick update and push this out as soon as possible. So right now, thank you very much for watching, thank you very much for your attention, and if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, if you're new here, go and subscribe right now to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Also leave a like here if you like these quick updates. And right now, just one more little disclaimer. As always, this is no financial advice. I'm no financial advisor. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself. So have a wonderful day. We see us in the next video. Bye bye.